up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese to teach you Chinese online. Welcome back to Chinese learning. Today, the song I'm going to introduce you is also one of my favorite songs in the past 10 years. It's called 陌生人, Stranger, and it's sung by a group called Solar. It talks about lovers become strangers after they break up. So that just listen to the song first, and I will explain the lyrics line by line for you.
点了最后一支香烟，拿着准备好的行李，好想打个电话给你，却没有勇气。多么期待你会再打来找我，别走，你的最爱不必被爱。电话没响，所有一切都一样。还记得我们的承诺，总想起你说过爱我，自暴自弃也没用。难道我真的想不通？虽然伤口越来越痛，感觉呼吸越来越重，不会再停止，一直做梦，哭也没用，忍着伤痛。离开你我真的痛，你不知道，你不知道，哭着看着你离开我，你看不到，你听不到。为什么为什么要离去？为什么为什么再相遇？一变成陌生人。看着我们当天的那照片，当天我们的记忆点，那灰蓝的天又再回到从前，躺在我的怀里看夕阳。你说希望永远都一样，不管怎样不停回想，结局过后还能怎样？还记得我们的承诺，总想起你说过爱我，自暴自弃也没用。难道我真的想不通？虽然伤口越来越痛，感觉呼吸越来越重，不会再停止，一直做梦，哭也没用，忍着伤痛。离开你我真的痛，你不知道，你不知道，哭着看着你离开我，你看不到，你听不到。为什么为什么要离去？为什么为什么再相遇？一变成陌生人。希望永远都一样，我们期待你会再到来。却伤口越来越痛，感觉呼吸越来越重。离开我真的痛，你不知道，你不知道，为什么为什么要离去？为什么为什么再相遇？哭着看着你离开我，你看不到，你听不到。为什么为什么再相遇？已变成陌生人。为什么离去？为什么为什么再相遇？离开你我真的痛，你不知道，你不知道。离开你我真的痛，你不知道，你不知道。离开你我真的痛，你不知道，你不知道。为什么为什么要离去？为什么为什么再相遇？离开你我真的痛，你不知道。
Do you like the songs? The lyrics are quite easy. I believe that you can get it quite quickly after I explain it.
点了最后一支香烟，拿着准备好的行李。
点了最后一支香烟，拿着准备好的行李。点 to ignite. The here it means past tense. 最后 the last. 一支 支 is a measure word for cigarettes and cigars. 香烟 cigarette. 拿着 holding. 拿 to hold, to grab, to take. So progressive. 准备 to prepare. How here it means done. It's a result after you prepare it. 行李 luggage. I ignited my last cigarette and I'm holding the luggage that I have prepared.
好想打个电话给你，却没有勇气。
好想打个电话给你，却没有勇气。好 very really 想 want to I really want to 打个 to make a 电话 phone call 给你 to you 却 but however 没有 I don't have 勇气 courage I really want to make a phone call to you but I don't have the courage
多么期待你会再打来，
多么期待你会再打来，多么 how much blah 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 期待 to look forward to expect 你 you 会 will 再 again 打来 to call me 来 is a motion from somewhere far away to you so that's why you say 打来 if you call someone far away you would say 打去How much I expect that you will call me again means I expect you to call me again so much.
叫我别走，你的最爱不必悲哀。
叫我别走，你的最爱不必悲哀。叫 to call, to scream, to ask. The 叫 here means to ask. 叫我 to ask me, 别 not to 走 to go.To ask me not to go. 你的最爱，你的 your 最爱 favorite. 最 means the most. 爱 means love. Here 别走 and 你的最爱 they share 叫我 to ask me not to go. But for the second part, the 叫 turns to be to call me. To call me your favorite. Because since I'm your favorite, of course you don't want me to go. 不必悲哀，不必 there's no need. 悲哀 to be grieved, to be sorrowful. There's no need to be grieved, to be sorrowful. You ask me not to go, and you call me your favorite, so I don't have to be sorrowful.
电话没响，所有一切都一样。
电话没响，所有一切都一样。电话的 phone 没 didn't 响 to ring. The phone didn't ring. 所有 all 一切 everything together. It just means everything. So all of them 一样 the same. The phone didn't ring, so everything is still the same.
还记得我们的承诺，总想起你说过爱我。
还记得我们的承诺，总想起你说过爱我。还 still 记得 remember 我们的 our 承诺 promise. I still remember our promise. 总 is 总 from 总是 always 想起 to recall. 想 means to think. 起 means to get up. Whenever I think, the memories arise. I always recall what 你 you 说 to speak, to talk, to say. 过 you have done this before. It means experience. 爱我 love me. I always recall that you said that you love me. So I still remember our promise, and I always recall that you said that you love me.
自暴自弃也没用，难道我真的想不通？
自暴自弃也没用，难道我真的想不通？自暴自弃 is a proverb meaning to abandon oneself to despair. 自 self, 暴 to waste. 自 again self, 弃 to abandon, to waste, abandon oneself. 也 also 没用 no use, to be useless. To abandon oneself to despair is also useless. 难道 could it be that 我爱真的 really 想不通？想 means to think. 不通 means to be not able to get through. You can picture your thought like a tunnel. If you want to find out the answer, it's a little bit like you go through the tunnel. Could it be that I really cannot get through it after thinking? Could it be that I can never get it over? 虽然 though 伤口 wound 越来越 more and more 痛 to be painful to hurt though the wound is getting more and more painful 感觉 I feel 呼吸 breath 越来越 more and more 重 heavy I feel my breath is getting heavier and heavier. When you feel sorrowful, you don't breathe quickly because you are not nervous, you just feel sad. Your breath will be slower and slower. And when it's slower and slower, it feels like it's heavier and heavier. 不会再停止一直做梦不会 I won't 再 again 停止 to cease to stop 一直 continuously 做 to make 梦 dream to make a dream means to dream I will never stop continuously dreaming again 哭也没用忍着伤痛 yeah 哭也没用忍着伤痛 yeah 哭 to cry yeah also 没用 no use to be useless crying is also no use 忍 to bear, to stand, to endure, the progressive, enduring. 伤痛 伤 means wound, 痛 means pain. So together it means the pain from the wound. It's no use to cry and I still have to endure the pain from the wound. 离开你我真的痛你不知道你不知道离开你我真的痛，你不知道，你不知道。离开 to leave, to depart. 你 you 我真的 really 痛 to be painful. Leaving you really makes me feel painful. 你不知道，你不知道 you don't know, you don't know. 哭着看着你离开我，你看不到，你听不到。哭着看着你离开我，你看不到，你听不到。哭 to cry, 哭着 crying, 看 to look, 着 looking. 你 you 离开我 to leave me. 你看不到 you are not able to see it. 不到 means not able to do it. So 看不到 together means to not able to see it, to not able to look at it. 你听不到听 to listen, to hear. Verb 不到 means you're not able to do that. You couldn't hear it either. When I'm crying, looking at you, leaving me, you cannot see it. You cannot hear it because you are facing the other side, walking away. 为什么要离去？为什么 why 要 want to 离去 to leave away from me. Lead to leave to depart. 去 is a motion away from you. Why do you want to leave away from me to go to the other direction instead of me? 为什么再相遇？为什么再相遇 ？Why 为什么再 again 相 means each other. 遇 means to meet, to encounter. Why do we meet each other again? If you look these two sentences together, it means that why do you have to leave me and why do we have to meet again? 已 from 已经 already 变成 to change into, to turn in, to become. 陌生人 means stranger. We have already become strangers because we are no longer lovers.
看着我们当天的那照片，当天我们的纪念。
看着我们当天的那照片，看着 looking at 我们 our 当天 on that day 那照片 that picture looking at the pictures of us on that day 当天我们的纪念当天 on that day 我们的 our 纪念 means souvenir keepsake looking at that pictures of us on that day and our keepsake on that day
那灰蓝的天又再回到从前，
那灰蓝的天又再回到从前。那 that 灰 gray 蓝 blue 天 sky 灰蓝 here it means grayly blue that grayly blue sky 又 again 再 again together they still mean again 回到回 to return 到 to arrive to reach so it means to return to 从前 long time ago what it was before. You can also translate it as all times, all days. That grayly blue skies returned to the old days again.
躺在我的怀里看夕阳，你说希望永远都一样。
躺 to lie, 在 to locate. 我的 my 怀里 in my bosom. 看 to watch. 夕阳 sunset. 你说 you said. 希望 to hope. 永远 forever 都一样 is the same. To lie in my bosom, which means to lie in my arms watching the sunset. You said you hope that it will be the same forever.
一样，不管这样，不停回想，也许过后还能这样。
不管 no matter 怎样 what how no matter what no matter how 不停 non-stop so it also means continuously 回想 to recall to return and think 结局 ending 过 to pass 后 after 还 still 能 can 怎样 how what no matter how I recall non-stop after the ending has been over what else can I do
还记得我们的承诺，就想起你说过爱我，自暴自弃也没用。难道我真的想不通？虽然伤口越来越痛，感觉呼吸越来越重，不会再停止，一直做梦，哭也没用，认真伤痛。离开你我真的痛，你不知道，你不知道，哭着看着你离开我，你看不到，你听不到，为什么要离去？为什么才相遇？一遍着我是你。
The following lyrics are all the same so we just stop here and I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time bye